plumbing and heating services. Do you need new boiler and radiators? Do you need expert advice on a product and installation? Are you tired of trying to find the company just for you? Northern Plumbing and Heating can help you and deliver the services you want. When it's cold, we'll get your heating back on as quick as possible. Your new bathroom or shower room will be completed to the highest of standards. We are on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for you and your home. Search us on the internet or on Facebook. Book an appointment today. What are you waiting for? Call now.